Hello everyone, thank you for joining my presentation today. I will discuss Satya Nadella leadership as CEO of Microsoft and apply two key leadership theories, trait theory and transformational leadership theory. Introduction to leadership analysis. Since he was appointed CEO in 2014, Satya Nadella has transformed Microsoft, propelling it back into the forefront of technology. Understanding his leadership style through established theories can provide insight into effective leadership in today's landscape. I will specifically focus on trait theory, which examines personal qualities that contribute to effective leadership, and transformational leadership theory, which emphasizes inspiring and motivating followers. Let's start with a brief overview of these two theories. As posited by Nordhaus in 2018, trait theory identifies qualities such as intelligence, emotional stability, and integrity that contribute to successful leadership. In contrast, transformational leadership theory, as outlined by Bass and Region, highlights how leaders inspire followers beyond their self-interest through four components: idealized influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, and individualized consideration. Now let's apply trait theory to Satya Nadella. Three traits stand out in his leadership. One of the traits is empathy. He fostered a culture of collaboration and innovation which has been instrumental in Microsoft's growth, particularly in cloud services. Humility. Nadella is willing to learn from mistakes and seek feedback, reflecting a growth mindset that encourages shared accomplishment rather than a win-at-all-cost mentality. 3. Visionary thinking. He articulates a clear and compelling vision encapsulated in the phrase "cloud first, mobile first," demonstrating strategic foresight. However, while trait theory is valid, it may oversimplify the complexities of leadership by not considering situational factors that can impact effectiveness. Moving on to transformational leadership theory, Nadella exemplifies several key elements: idealized influence. Employees view him as a role model who embodies integrity and transparency, fostering trust within the organization. Inspirational motivation. His enthusiasm for technology and clear vision motivate employees to embrace change and innovation. Intellectual stimulation. Nadella encouraged innovative thinking and welcomed diverse perspectives, which has led to advancements like Microsoft Azure. Individual consideration. He prioritized employee well-being by recognizing contribution and promoting professional development. However, a potential critique of this theory is that it may create dependency on the leader's vision, potentially stifling independent team direction. Reflecting on my leadership trait, I find alignment with both trait theory and transformational leadership theory. I exhibit empathy and humility in my leadership approach, but aim to further develop my visionary thinking for strategic decision making. This analysis has emphasized the importance of adaptability and active listening in my leadership style. I plan to strengthen my negotiation and communication skill as I grow as a leader. Conclusion: Satya Nadella serves as a compelling case study in effective leadership. His trait of empathy, humility, and visionary thinking, combined with the principle of transformational leadership theory, highlight how leadership can drive profound organizational change. I hope the insights from Nadella leadership inspire you and guide my path toward effective leadership. Thank you for your time.